Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the second declutter video in this installation. However, you don't need to watch them in any particular order, but let's look at bronzers first. This is like my favorite bronzer, this Revlon Photo Ready in Bronze and Chic from like when I first started YouTube. I bought a backup and then, look, this is me swatching something that smells like paint thinner. And then a subscriber friend sent me that, which I will be keeping. So this is from Milk Makeup. I just got the little sample. And it is Baked Matte Bronzer. And then this is in Brasilia from Juvia's Place. I believe this is a foundation stick, but I kind of just use it to bronze up my face. Really like it. I'm really getting into these cream bronzery things. So I am going to keep these two. My cream blush is Pinched from Flower Beauty. It's one of the blush bombs. And I do have, I want to say Nectar is like the more orangey color. That is in my makeup basket. I will be keeping this because I love it. Okay, from Hourglass. I love this. This is Mood Exposure. Keeping it. And Tarte. This is Flush. Oh, I always forget that. Gosh, that's so dark. But I know that it doesn't come out that dark. Is it time for me to pass this on? It might be. I think I am going to get rid of this. Oh my gosh, that hurts. I have this little blush from Bare Minerals. It's in the Natural High. And it's really nice. It has like a nice little sheen here. This is really nice in summer. So I'm going to keep this. And then Hot Mama, love. Cabana Boy from the Balm, love. You know what? I won't feel as bad because this is pretty similar to this guy. Different, but similar enough. And then Rockateur from the Benefit. From Benefit. And I really do like this one as well. So I could say that I love my blushes. So I'm going to keep them. And this probably should have gone in my other declutter because this is a face product, but like a powder. But I am keeping it and I like it. Okay, highlighters, which is all of this. Oh my gosh. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter highlighter. It's a super long name, so that's all I'm going to say. It's new and I love it. Gosh, this Vintage by Jessica Liebskind. I think this came in like a boxy charm back when I used to. I really like this one. It's Rose Quartz and Chocolate Diamond, but you know what? It's old and I haven't reached for this in forever. So I'm going to pass this guy on. And I haven't reached for it because I've been mixing these liquid highlighters like this guy and Rodial, the Soft Glow Drops, into my foundation. This is a backup, so I will be keeping it because I'm almost done with my other one. Let's look at these highlights. Oh God, Mary Luminizer. I don't think I could ever get rid of her. Is this Prosecco Pop? Champagne Pop. Yeah, I think Prosecco Pop was like way too dark for me. Ooh, that is pretty. I think I'll get that. Now I do have these. When I first started getting into the liquid highlighters, Jen sent me a bunch. Thanks, Jen. Now let's see. I have this. It's the Highlighter Everglow. Nikki Tutorial. So this is what brand is that? Ofra? It's a trio. I'm just going to pass this on as much as I want to keep it. This Catrice Light Correcting Serum Primer looks way too dark for me. Glow Milk. I think this came in a FabFitFun. Wow, that's pretty, but I wouldn't wear that on my face. That's definitely too dark for me. And Smashbox Radiance. This is a Photo Finish Foundation Primer. So this is the stuff that I like to add into my foundation for like a glow. So you know what? Let's go ahead and see if these even work with my skin. That's nice. That is just like a glow. Then I have this 24 karat gold from Peter Thomas Roth. Oh gosh, is this going to be like crazy? No, it's nice. Okay, keeping it. This liquid illuminator from Ulta. Gosh, guys, I ran out of space. Wow. Okay, I thought I was definitely going to keep this, but this looks really gold. And then this L'Oreal True Match Lumi. This is in golden. Let's see. Oh gosh, they are pretty if I was darker, but I'm not. Not too shabby. So with this, I got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 highlights and 1 blush. Not bad. So I will be filming palettes, brushes, lip products coming up. So I will link that playlist down below. Let me know if there's anything that you're like, I can't believe you kept that. Or anything you really recommend. Comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye guys.